Hello guys, my name is Luca from Unauthorized YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to reset the GoPro 11 in two ways. So this is a brand new GoPro 11. If the GoPro doesn't work, you just need to press on the mode button for about 10 to 11 seconds. So let's go. So this is the GoPro 11. Let's try to hard reset the GoPro 11. So for 10 or 11 seconds, press and hold the mode button. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So as you can see, now the GoPro is resetting. So for the second method, swipe down, go to preferences, all the way down to reset, tap on the reset button and go to factory reset. This will reset all your settings, clears all connections and remove the camera from your GoPro cloud account. Tap on reset button. It says resetting. And now, as you can see, the GoPro 11 is resetting and it's like you open the box. It's brand new. Feel free to subscribe to Unauthorized YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!